What's up everyone? I'm Landan with LMR.com. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you remove the seat upholstery from the front and rear seats in an S550 Mustang. This video is going to cater to anyone who may be upgrading or replacing their factory upholstery and are needing some insight into how it's removed. So just to make everyone aware, the car we are going to be working with is equipped with basic S550 front seats and not the Recaro seat option. However, the rear seats are the same in all S550 cars, regardless of vehicle trim or the options. Now, before we get rolling, I would take a look at our seat removal videos, as we're going to be starting this process with the seats already removed from the car. All right, so it doesn't matter what seat you do first, but we're going to be starting with the front seats. Place the driver or passenger side seat on a workbench. The removal steps for both of these seats are going to be the exact same. Verify that the seat back is in a slightly reclined position. If it isn't, pull the release lever and recline it. Go ahead and remove the headrest from the seat by depressing the two release tabs. Carefully dislodge the rear seat back insert and remove it. Whatever you do, be careful how far you pull up on the release handle. If you pull it all the way up, the seat back will spring forward and you'll have to put it back in the reclined position. Loosen and remove the two T20 torque screws that secure the inside hinge cover. There is one screw near the seat belt receptacle and one on the underside of the cover. Rotate the cover up and towards the front of the seat to remove it. On the outside seat cover, remove the recline lever by simply prying it off with a pry tool. Loosen and remove the rearward T20 torque screw. The second T20 screw is located just inside of the front cover. Pull up on the rear of the cover and then slide it forward to remove it from the frame. Disconnect the electrical connection and set this aside. Position the seat on its side or flip it over to gain access to the bottom. There are electrical connections towards the rear of the seat that will need to be disconnected and removed. Go ahead and disconnect these electrical connections at the rear of the seat. Use a push pin removal tool to dislodge the harness clip and then remove the elastic band from the small plastic bracket. Do this for both electrical connections if applicable. Roll back the upholstery and dislodge any remaining harness clips. Position the seat in the upright position and ensure that the seat back has a slight recline. Loosen and remove the four T50 torque screws that secure the seat back to the seat bottom. Now you can separate the two and pick whichever section you want to work with first. I'll be starting with the seat back. With the seat back face down on a workbench, remove the two push pins. Remove the plastic seat pocket support. Separate the long plastic clip from the seat frame. Position the seat back upside down and roll the upholstery inside out over the foam. When doing this, separate the Velcro attaching points from the foam and stop whenever you reach halfway. Separate the clips that wrap around the airbag module. Make a mental note on how the cloth straps are positioned. Feed the straps through their designated openings in the seat foam. Dislodge the plastic clips from the lumbar support. There are 4 of these in total. Continue pulling the upholstery off of the seat and then separate the plastic clip located near the upper portion of the frame. Carefully pull the foam around the seat back release mechanism. Locate the tabs that lock each plastic headrest guide into the frame. Squeeze the tab while pushing out on the guide to dislodge it from the seat frame. Do the same for the other guide and then remove them from the seat back along with the upholstery. Before the upholstery can be removed, feed the seat belt strap through its designated opening. Remove the headrest guides from the upholstery and set these aside. Locate the magnetic button for the seat belt strap. Lift up on each metal tab with a flathead screwdriver and then remove the metal retainer, plastic backing plate, and magnetic button. Tuck the seat foam back underneath the release mechanism and the seat back is good to go. Go ahead and place the bottom seat assembly on your workbench. Loosen and remove the T20 torque screw and plastic pivot cover. Flip the seat bottom over and locate the plastic clips. Remove all of these clips from the seat frame and then flip the seat back to its upright position. Lift the upholstery and foam from the seat frame and set the assembly aside. Remove the upholstery from the foam, starting in the front and working towards the rear. Dislodge the small clips that secure the plastic listing rod. These will be located at the front and rear of the seat foam. The upholstery can now be removed from the foam. Switching gears to the headrest now, which won't take but a minute to do. Pry up on the bottom of the plastic bezel to remove it from the headrest. Separate the plastic clips and then roll the cover inside out until it's removed from the headrest. Alright, now it's time for the rear seat back. Separate the plastic clips at the bottom of the upholstery. Reach inside and dislodge the Velcro sections from the foam. Begin rolling the upholstery inside out, working from bottom to top until it is completely removed from the foam. Go ahead and do the same for the other rear seat back. The last section is the rear seat bottom. Place this upside down on your workbench. Starting at the rear of the seat and in the center, separate the Velcro pieces and then remove one of the push pins. Begin working your way around the entire seat, dislodging the plastic clips. Whenever you get to the front of the seat, you'll find some upholstery staples, which are easily removed with a flathead screwdriver or needle nose pliers. Continue working around the seat until all the clips have been removed. Flip the seat assembly back over and separate the Velcro backing on the upholstery from the seat foam and feed any attaching points through their designated openings. You can now fully remove the rear seat bottom upholstery from the foam. After that, you're done. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful content and turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time we release something new. While you're at it, check out our other videos, and you guys know what to do by now. For all things S550 Mustang, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.